Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. It's just the two of us, me and Maring Cha. Joy had a fun run marathon yesterday for 10 kilometers. She's still sore. Excuse me. So she won't be able to join us. We're walking from Dairy Farm to Cathedral. Again, we're gonna take the 7 a.m. mass. It's just 5:43 in the morning. Update later. Bye. Hi guys, just an update. We're at Marcos Highway. Time check. It's already 6:29. So, lakad ulit. Baka malate sa church. Bye. Update again, guys. We are at City High. It's already 6:48. Still have 10 minutes. Kaya pa?
Steph and Mark, Rafael Jude, Mark and Dave Tumagi, Marco Buse.
Hi again, guys. We just finished church. We also went to the organic market. We bought some vegetables. We're at Session Road now. On our way home kasi may mga dala kami. That's it for today, guys. Thanks.